folks, Rob here. Just to do a quick review on the ARB Tailgate Assist and show you guys how I had to install them. Fantastic product, and there's several brands that do them, ARB, Grunt and a few others. A few tricks with the Ranger for the ARB Tailgate Assist. I'll give you a look at that now. Alrighty folks, so this is the ARB kit. Installed already, obviously. I didn't think of doing a video at the time, sorry about that, but I can at least talk you through some bits to be wary of. This plate here is part of the kit from ARB, obviously the strut from ARB. This is original OEM, the strap or tie, whatever you want to call it, that holds the tailgate in position. Same on the other side, ARB plate, and then on the tailgate itself, same on the other side. Two new plates for where the OEM strap sits and obviously where the strut will sit. It does go in relatively easy. This is a 2016 PXII Ford Ranger. With that being said, I wasn't made aware when I purchased it, but you will need to drill a hole through the steel of the tub to be able to get this bolt in. The original way it was set up was through this hole here. Now obviously, as you can see, the bracket is different and doesn't come down that way as such, so you do need to have this hole drilled through. I think it was 12 mil, I can't remember. It was a bit of a shame because I wasn't made aware, so I started installing all of this and then realized I had to do a run to Bunnings to get a proper drill bit to be able to go through there, because I didn't have one. Anyway, that was my problem. But that isn't made clear when you buy it. The way it states it on the packaging and everything is that you don't need anything. Everything is included in the kit. However, there was no hole for this bracket. So the latch comes off. You remove that, put that plate on, put the latch back on. I suggest you mark it. You can sort of see there where I've marked where the original latch sat, just so you can line it all up again, because obviously if you don't line it up, the tailgate isn't going to sit properly. Same on the opposite side as well. You'll find down here, this plate here is from ARB. On this Ford Ranger, the bracket that supports the tailgate comes through here. There is already a plate there. You remove that, replace it with the ARB one that has the hook, or the bulb I should say, for the strut to be able to be popped on. And then on this side here, this plate is also included. Screw that in, and that sits in for the new placement for the tailgate holder. It does work a treat. On one of the first mods I did on the Ranger was this. It makes such a difference. I'll put a quick clip up of before and after, the two differences of the tailgate, and you'll see that it's totally worth it. They're not overly expensive. This one's from ARB. There are other companies that sell them, Grunt and a few others. Ocam, I think, sell one as well. All about the same price. But they do a fantastic job, and I can't complain. And especially if you've got kids. I don't, but I sort of think if you've got kids and the tailgate's going up and down, you know, without one of these installed, and it knocks one of the kids in the head, geez, I'd hate to think what would happen. But no, I love it, and it's great, so highly recommend it. But just be wary, with this Ranger and the ARB version of this kit, you will need to drill through the tub. Alright guys, that'll do. I'll put a quick clip up now of before and after of the tailgate, just to give you an idea, and see you on the next one. Cheers.